Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Big milestones like buying a home, funding college, or hitting retirement can feel overwhelming. Empower makes them visual and achievable. Let me show you how to visualize your path to milestone goals with Empower. The first point is to define the milestone. So you want to start by creating a goal in Empower's planner, whether it's saving $50,000 for a down payment or building a retirement nest egg. Second point is to track visual timelines. Empower turns your inputs into clear charts and timelines showing how your current savings rates stack up against your target dates. Third point is progress bar keeps you motivated. Watch your progress bar fill as you save more, invest, and of course reduce debt. It's like a fitness tracker but for your money. Fourth point is to adjust for real life. Change assumptions anytime, like income, expenses, or contributions rates, and instantly see how your path shifts towards or away from the milestone. By visualizing your journey, Empower turns distant goals into concrete, achievable steps. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.